Logix full review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to Logix's products and plans are in the description below. Let's dive into this review. Logix is a reputable Canadian internet service provider known for offering a range of high-speed internet options, tailored business solutions, and excellent customer support. Their internet plans range from 50 Mbps up to 1 Gbps PSS, with fiber optic technology ensuring fast, reliable, and stable connections. Logix is ideal for both residential and business users, providing exceptional speeds for everything from basic browsing to data-heavy tasks like streaming and gaming. Their service also includes VoIP phone systems and cloud storage, making them a great option for small and medium-sized businesses that need reliable, affordable communication tools. Logix targets urban and suburban customers who require high-speed internet with minimal downtime. Their flexible plans suit a wide range of users, from families and remote workers to small businesses. For businesses, Logix offers scalable solutions such as VoIP services and cloud-based storage, which are both affordable and reliable. Residential customers will appreciate the high-speed internet for activities like video conferencing, gaming, and media streaming. When it comes to strengths, Logix stands out in terms of affordability and reliability. Their fiber optic internet delivers fast speeds with low latency, making it a solid choice for demanding users. The VoIP service is an excellent option for businesses looking to cut costs on communication while maintaining professionalism. Another major advantage is their customer service, which is known for being responsive and efficient. However, Logix has a few weaknesses. Their coverage area is limited to certain urban and suburban regions, so rural customers may not have access to their services. Additionally, while Logix offers great options for small to medium-sized businesses, larger enterprises with complex needs may find their business solutions somewhat basic. In conclusion, Logix is a reliable, cost-effective choice for residential users and small businesses looking for fast internet and scalable communication solutions. If you're in their coverage area, Logix is worth considering. Be sure to check the description for more details on their available plans.